You come. You take this set. You come.
I am Vishnu Vaibhav from grade 3. With students of my class wishing you all a tremendous Thursday. Today we have gathered here for special assembly on Global Hand Washing Day, 15th October, which will be celebrated across the world. Call Master Dhawan Siddharth from grade 3 for welcome address.
I am Dhawan Siddharth from grade 3. A warm welcome to everyone gathered here. Respected Principal Ma'am and respected and beloved teachers and my dear fellow students. I find immense pleasure to welcome everyone to our class assembly on Global Hand Washing Day. Thank you for all being with us today.
Done. Now I would like to call Kumari Yashasvi S of grade 3 to share few words about the importance of the Global Hand Washing Day.
Happy morning.
Closer.
Happy morning. I am Yashasvi of grade 3 for importance of the day. Global Hand Washing Day 2021 is observed on October 15. The day in a way turns to spread awareness about importance of hygiene. The theme for 2021, our future is at hand. Let's move forward through. The day was founded by the Global Hand Washing Partnership. The day focuses on the importance of hand wash and comes up with creative ways to encourage people to wash their hands with soap at critical times. In 2008, the first World Hand Wash Day was celebrated in more than 70 nationals. More than 120 million children across the world participating that year. All children washed their hands with soap. Since then, people are observing the day to spread awareness about washing hands, build things and type and value of cleaning hands. Thank you.
Thank you SSVS for the wonderful message. Now I would like to call Kumari Sinchana to share thought on Global Hand Washing Day.
Happy morning to everyone. Happy morning to everyone. I am Sinchana from grade 10. Thousands have lived without love, not one without water. Thousands one word have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you Sinchana for the wonderful thought. Now my friend Master Pranav C. Gowda from grade 3 is going to present amazing facts on Global Hand Washing Day.
Facts on Global Hand Washing Day. Fact number 1. Wet your hands with warm or cold water. Hot water is not required. The soap and your cleaning action will get rid of the germs. Use enough soap to cover the surface of the both hands. Fact number 2. Rub your hands together for at least 20 seconds to work up a good lather. Scrub the back of your hands and wash between your fingers, fingertips and under your nails. Fact number 3. Rinse your hands to get off all the soap residue and avoid touching the sides of the sink or faucet. Keep your hands pointing down so dirty water doesn't run onto your sleeves. Fact number 4. Dry your hands thoroughly and don't wipe them on your clothes. That puts bacteria and viruses back on your hands. Dry hands do not spread as many germs as wet ones. Thank you one and all.
Pranav C. Gowda, that was informative. Now I would like to call Kushi C. and Abhinit Gowda from grade 3 for song on hand washing.
My name is Kushi. I am from grade 3. I will sing a song on hand washing day. My wash. Your hands many times a day.
Germs can cause a runny nose, germs from cough and colds and flus. Don't spread germs at home and school. Wash your hands, that's what you do. Wash your hands. Get them nice and clean. Wash them on top, wash them on below. And fingers in between. Thank you. Thank you, Kushisi and Abhinit Gowda. That was melodious. Now I would like to call Shafia Taj to share Hindi thought on Global Hand Washing Day.
My name is Shafia Taj
Louder.
from grade 3.
Louder, ma.
From grade 3. हाथ धो लेंगे साबुन से तो रोग मिटेंगे जीवन से. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Shafia Taj for the wonderful message. Now I would like to call Syed Nawaz from grade 3 to present quotes and slogans on Global Hand Washing Day.
My name is Syed Nawaz. I am presenting quotes on Global Hand Washing Day. First one, clean hands, safe hands. Second one,
Ask the children to hold it.
clean your, protect your health.
Come forward.
Third one, if you are dirty, wash
Dhanush.
your hands. Cleaning hands is. Good morning to one and all. I Dhanush P. Gowda from grade 3. Now I am going to show you techniques of hand wash.
Come on.
Back of hands, base of thumbs, back of fingers, fingernails, breast, rinse and wipe dry. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhanush P. Gowda. That was amazing. Now get ready for quiz time by Master Devang Soni from grade 3. Now I will present quiz. Number 1. When hand washing day is celebrated? Yes, right answer. The correct answer is 15 October. Why hand washing day is celebrated? Correct answer is to spread awareness about important hygiene. What is the theme of 2021 hand washing day?
Team.
Teach my question.
Yes.
What is the theme of 2021 hand washing day?
What is the theme?
Our future is at hand. Let's move forward together. Which year what hand washing day is celebrated? Right answer. The correct answer is 2000. How many nations celebrated what hand washing day? Correct answer.
Very good.
Devang Soni, that was knowledgeable. Last but not the least, I would like to call Master Prithvik Reddy from grade 3 to present vote of thanks.
Morning to one and all. I Prithvik Reddy from grade 3. It gives me pleasure to deliver out of thanks for the event. First, I would like to thank our beloved chairman, Mr. Riaskan sir, for his presence and support. Thank you, sir. I extend my thanks to our principal, Dr. P. Sharulakshmi ma'am, for giving golden opportunity to our class organize this program. Thank you, ma'am. It is a pleasure to thank our teachers not only participating but also guiding us. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my friends, fellow students. Without you, this function would not be a success. Once again, thank you one and all.